As Canadians head outdoors for the summer and as vaccinations rise and COVID numbers fall, there is a sense that change for the better is coming. These three friends have all been vaccinated.
We think we still need to be really careful, but there's sort of a hopefulness in the air.
Miyu and Jordan are keeping to a small bubble, even as bigger gatherings push their luck.
It scares me a little bit, but I think we all know that there are rules.
We're certainly headed in the right direction across most of the country, but we're still in the midst of a third wave. We're just on our way out of it.
In a country as large as Canada, the third wave has hit provinces in different ways and at different times. In the biggest provinces, BC, Ontario, and Quebec, the third wave peaked in April, though in Quebec it was smaller than the second wave. In Alberta, Manitoba, and Nova Scotia, the third wave didn't spike until May, though in Nova Scotia it's the highest numbers they've seen in the entire pandemic. And what is clear nationally is that we have had 1, 2, 3 waves, and that the third wave is on its way down as we approach summer. But given what we've been through with this pattern, is there going to be a fourth wave in the months ahead?
Whether there's going to be a fourth wave, that is something, that I think we are grappling with around the world.
The so-called Indian variant and others that could yet develop are making health officials cautious about declaring that a finish line is within sight.
Last time we only got up to 2/3 of the way down the curve, and then with some relaxation of restrictive measures, we went back up again.
But even with variants of concern, infectious disease experts believe vaccines make any fourth wave much less threatening.
Yes, you're going to start to see more cases, but the number of people hospitalized will be proportionally much less. It's a load that our hospitals normally deal with in a late fall or winter basis, and it's not something you need to close the community down for.
Some epidemiologists see a type of normal returning this summer and lasting.
And with things opening up with vigor and permanently, probably in August and beyond. I expect schools to be open in September, and I expect every day to be better than the previous day. So the end is in sight, at least in this country.
Thanks to vaccines, many experts think a fourth wave will not bring massive lockdowns. So there is reason to feel some optimism.
I see a light at the end of the tunnel.
Eric Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.